What's up, guys? It's your girl Denise.Rodri. As you know, I moved in with Stephanie at the beginning of the year and I moved into a new room. So I want to show you guys my room tour, but mainly I wanted to show you on camera how I created my little reading/filming area. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. So this is the area that we're working with. I have a few boxes and a medicine ball I don't have room for. We're gonna start just taking things out of the area. My little vision board, Candace's lash set, box filled with goodies, my most prized possession, the Beyonce coffee table book, and some more shoes I still haven't found a place for. A quick intermission. I actually had to go get my nails redone and it was time for my appointment, but we are back and ready to work. First, have to paste these little hooks on the wall. It's actually super easy. You just hold for 30 seconds and these hooks are stuck to the wall, and now I can hang the lights. Super quick and easy. Then you undo each string. Remember to wait until you hang the whole light set before you undo the strings. Tried it on, make sure it works, and then now I'm gonna move in all the furniture. My little nightside table, which was super easy to build. I have some accessories for the table. My little rose quartz elephant, some matte black playing cards. I'm gonna place my laptop on there as well, and then now I get to move on to the bookshelf. This is actually just a glass shelf from Amazon. Vision board on the top, pen holder with the bookshelf so I can start placing the books there. Another folder holder with some more folders for my aesthetic. This one says make it happen. Then some more books. I placed 2 bookshelves on each end just to make sure they don't fall over. And then just another notebook holder. This is how it ended up looking. I decided to add some accessories to the chair, so I added this big white fluffy pillow and my Barefoot Dreams travel blanket. And this is what it looks lit up. This is a front view of the room in the dark. I also wanted to just take a few shots of the room during the day so you can see what it all looks like. If you want to see where I got my room furniture, you can watch my old room tour video because it's the same furniture. I just moved it to this room. My current favorite piece in my whole room is this waxed Air Force One sneaker candle that I got. I will tag the company down below. What's up, guys? All right, so this is my updated room tour. I remember when I walked in the room, I noticed that it was basically the same room as the one I had in the other apartment, but I had an extra area and I didn't really know what I was gonna do with it at first. I thought back home in Miami, I had this little vanity area where I would get ready every day. In this room, I thought, well, if I brought back a vanity so I can get ready and have the mirror and all my makeup set up, then the area wouldn't be too filming friendly. And what I mean by that is that in this area, I feel like I could do so much more. I could film fashion videos for you guys, also sit and talk about some new topics that I want to sit and talk to you guys about. I just feel like it's a funner area. I could read, I could sit on my laptop, it's just the cutest little moment. I remember when I was a little girl and being in my room, I always wanted a chill area where I could just hang out, but my room was never big enough. So it's interesting that now I have my own little area. Maybe I can go through the books that I bought and read, maybe talk about what I learned about them. I don't know if you guys want something like that. Leave the comments down below, but I hope you guys liked my little... Sorry, I leave my window open, guys, because I like the fresh air, pero outside. I'm gonna try and tag every single thing I bought down below, so if you want to purchase it, you can as well. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I have a few ideas. We're gonna have a lot of conversations on this chair. I could already feel it because I have a lot to talk to you guys about, I feel, and this is the perfect area for it. So stay tuned. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week. Soon I will be posting in Spanish and just trying to find the rhythm. I'll see you here next time. Bye.